this is looking great, but we also need to set up the detail view. So let's see how we can do that one. Let's get back to our code here. I'm going to go to views.py, and you can see that we have this detail, right? So right about that, I'm going to create a class, and I'm going to name this as notes detail view. Okay, that's going to inherit from the detail view. So what we can do is we just need to import that here. So I'm going to say detail view. Okay, and we're going to inherit that from that. So I'm going to say detail view, and here we need to set the model, and the model is notes. Okay, and the second thing is that now we need to set the context name. So I'm going to say context underscore object underscore name. So the context underscore name, the context object name is just note. And now we don't need this, so we're just going to get rid of this thing. And before we get rid of this, you might be thinking like, okay, what about the private keys we use, because we were using that to access that file, right? We don't need that. Django's class-based view takes care of that. Okay, so we don't need to specify any kind of private key or all those kind of stuff. So if I can just get rid of this one, let's save this. Okay, so the next thing is now we need to set the URLs. So let's get back to our urls.py, and here we need to set the notes intpk. So we're going to keep that as same, but here we're going to say notes detail view as view. Let's save that. Done. So now you can get back to the browser here. Let's hit refresh, and then I'm going to say 1. This is going to show me the first page.